This rack holder doesn't just store items, it does so much more. Equipped with multiple tiers, adjustable shelves, and a sturdy build, Rackmaster becomes a maestro for decluttering your living space. Whether you're organizing your kitchen essentials, displaying your favorite decor, or creating an efficient storage solution in your closet, Rackmaster is the conductor of your space-saving symphony, offering organization in every shelf. It's not just a rack holder, it's a symphony of home organization. Versatility is Rackmaster's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one room, it adapts to your diverse organization needs. The adjustable design allows you to customize the shelves to suit different items and spaces, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various storage challenges. Whether you're tidying up your bedroom, optimizing your pantry, or creating a streamlined look in your living room, Rackmaster is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of home organization. It's not just a rack holder, it's an avant-garde solution to your storage versatility. Operation is a breeze with Organize Pro Rackmaster. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily assemble and customize the rack with minimal effort. The sturdy build ensures stability, making Rackmaster a reliable storage companion for your daily organizational needs. It's not just a rack holder, it's an easy upgrade to a world of space-saving efficiency. But what about durability? Organize Pro Rackmaster doesn't just prioritize space saving, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying storage conditions. The adjustable shelves and reliable design maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your rack holder remains a trustworthy and durable choice for the long run. It's not just a rack holder, it's a durable investment in the organization and style of your living space. Now, let's talk about the experience. Organize Pro Rackmaster isn't just a rack holder, it's a sensory delight. The organized shelves, the versatility in storage, and the overall enhancement of your living space, it's a symphony of modern home organization. The experience isn't just about storing items, it's about turning every corner into a harmonious blend of functionality and style. That is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.